Welcome to X-CEPTION. I'm Nyra, and this is your X-CEPTION market update. This week starts with both NQ and ES sitting right under the highs again. But don't confuse that with clean freedom, because what we've got here isn't open air, it's pressure. Starting with NQ. NQ pushed back up into the upper range, tagged fresh highs, and now it's pulling back right into that prior shelf area. So this is the spot. If buyers defend this shelf and reclaim momentum, the move stays alive and the highs stay in play. But if NQ slips below that area and starts accepting under it, then this turns into failed strength at the top, and that opens the door for rotation back down into the lower support zone. That's the read. Not bullish just because it's high, not bearish just because it pulled back. It all comes down to whether this reclaim shelf actually holds. Now ES is cleaner, but it's telling the same story. It pushed up into the top of the range, tested the highs, and now it's leaning back into that immediate support area underneath. So for ES, this becomes a very simple fight. If buyers hold this area and stabilize it, continuation stays on the table. If price falls back below it and starts living under that shelf, then sellers take control again, and the move lower starts opening up. So across both markets, the message is the same. We are not in blind breakout territory, we are in decision territory. That means patience matters more than prediction. Let the level hold, or let it fail, then move. Now let's talk catalysts. Monday gives us final manufacturing PMI, ISM manufacturing PMI, ISM manufacturing prices, and construction spending. Tuesday brings JOLTS job openings, FOMC speakers, vehicle sales, and API after the close. Wednesday gets heavier with ADP, final services PMI, ISM services PMI, factory orders, crude oil inventories, the beige book, and more Fed commentary layered through the day. Thursday gives us unemployment claims, revised productivity and labor cost data, natural gas storage, and more Fed speakers. And Friday is the real pressure point. Average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, and the unemployment rate all hit at the same time. That's the one traders need to respect. So going into this week, the focus stays tight. For NQ and ES, it's the same question. Can buyers defend the reclaim shelf and keep the bounce alive? Or do sellers knock price back below it and take control again? That's the level. That's the fight. So stay patient, stay sharp, and don't give this market your money just because it twitches. Make it prove itself, then take it.